Hi guys, welcome to Observer. In this one, I'm going to show you how to add SASS to Sveltekit. So SASS is usually referred to as Super CSS. It actually gives us some fantastic features and it simplifies CSS in a lot of ways. It provides a good developer experience. Now, in order to do that, I'll start from scratch here. So I'm gonna install a skeleton app of Svelte. So that would be npm init svelte at next, and I want skeleton, no TypeScript ESLint prettier, and then I'll do npm install. Okay, so once that is done, I can test npm run dev and I'll see what is in this. Okay, so I have this. Now, in order to have SASS, we need some dependencies to be installed. First thing is Svelte preprocess. This should be -d, and we also want node SASS. Once they are there, I think we can use it. I will also open this in VS Code once the installation is done. Okay. Now, in here, you have to go to this Svelte configuration. You will have to import that preprocess, Svelte preprocess from Svelte preprocess, and you have to initialize it here. So SASS is not, since it is not actually CSS, it needs some preprocessing. Svelte preprocess, and that should be it, I think. I mean, if we go here back to source routes index, and if I remove it and add something like div.box, and inside I'll have h1.title. I'll have something like hello world. Let's see. Okay, npm run dev. I wasn't serving it. Now it shows hello world. Now let me style this in using SASS. So in order to use SASS here, you will have to mention the language in style tag, lang SCSS. So SCSS is the extension of SASS files. Now what I can do is I'll only show one of these properties where you can nest these identifiers. Here I'm nesting the classes. Now box I will have as background maybe black, and inside here itself I can have dot title. We'll have color as green, maybe not a good combination, but let's see if it works. Now you see that it's working. So this is only one of the properties of SASS. You can try out many things. There are many fantastic features in SASS that you can try out. I don't use it much because here in Svelte CSS is already scoped, so every component will have different CSS by default, and CSS is also catching up with SASS. Not exactly there yet, but it's catching up. And I have been using SASS in Jekyll, and it is fantastic for developer experience. Use it and let me know if you face any issues. So that's all for this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.